Hello students, welcome to your today's online class of computer. Students, as you learned in your previous classes the features of Windows 10. So let's learn something new about Windows 10. So students, as you know, when we turn on the computer system, the first screen that is shown is called desktop. As you see, this is desktop screen. Okay, in the desktop screen the main components are background image, icons and taskbar. As you know, taskbar is generally found at the bottom of desktop screen. Taskbar contains start button in the left side and in the right side system tray and desktop button are found. In the middle section of taskbar you can see Cortana is found, where you can search anything by using your voice. Here you can see in the left side of taskbar start button is found and this is the Cortana where you can search anything by using your voice. Okay, and these are the shortcut applications that are installed in our computer system. And in the right side of our taskbar we can see network status, volume level, battery level, date, time and etc. And in the last we can see the desktop button. As you can see, this is the desktop button. And the second components are icons. As you can see, many small pictures shows on desktop screen. These small pictures are called icons. Icons are very small pictures that represent a file, folder or a program. We can open any program directly by double clicking on its icon. As you can see, if you want to open this icon, you have to double click on this icon. After double clicking, this application will be open. Okay, now you can close this by click on close button that are found in the right side of the window. You have to do single click on it. After doing this, your window will be disappear. Okay, and you can see the first icon is this PC. So we are going to double click on this icon. What we see, as you can see, there are so many folders are found in this PC icon. If you want to see any folder, you have to double click on this folder. As you can see, I want to see which music found in music folder. So I have to double click on music folder. What we see, there are no music are found in this folder. So now I am going to close this folder. For closing this window, what we have to do? We have to do single click on close button. Okay, after single clicking the window will be disappear. Okay, and what is the next icon? Next icon is recycle bin. Students, as you know, recycle bin acts like an dustbin. Recycle bin displays the list of deleted files and folders. If you want to open this, you have to double click on it. Okay, as you can see, a new window is appear. So if you want to close this window, as usual you have to do single click on close button. After single clicking, the window will be disappear. Students, as you know, recycle bin acts like a dustbin of computer system. Students, as you know, Microsoft Edge is a new internet browser in Windows 10. Microsoft Edge is the latest browser by Microsoft Corporation. Microsoft Edge integrated Cortana to provide advanced search features by using our voice. It is designed for Windows 10 to be faster, safer, and more compatible than other web browsers. Okay? After double clicking on this icon, a new window will be appear. Okay? You can see in this window you can search anything. You can type here to search anything. Okay? And if you want to close this, as usual, you have to click on close button. You have to do single click. This window will be disappear. Okay? Students, you have learned in your previous class how to create a folder on the desktop. So, we are going to repeat that how can we make a folder on the desktop screen. So, for making the folder, we have to do right click of our mouse button. And after this, as you can see, a new list is appear. In the new list, we have to go on new option. After clicking the new option, another list is appear. As you can see, the first option of this list is folder. So if you want to create a folder, you have to do single click on this option. After single clicking, a new folder will be created. Okay? If you want to give the name to your folder, so you have to type your name, as like I want to give the name to this folder computer. So I have to type computer. And after typing the name, we have to click on enter button. We have to click on enter button. So students, as you can see how a new folder is created. Okay? If you want to see in this folder which features, which applications are found, so what we have to do? We have to do double click on this folder. Now I am going to close this folder. For closing the folder, what we have to do? We have to do single click on the close button. Now students, I am going to click on start menu. Okay? As you can see, the start menu of Windows 10 looks almost like the start menu of Windows 7. But it also contains the features of Windows 8 like live tiles and minimalistic designs and etc. So students, for seeing this, we have to click on start menu. So when we click on start menu, there are two panels open. Okay, as you can see, the two panels. The left panel shows the applications, and as you can see students, the left panel shows the applications and the right panel shows the live tiles. Okay? Do you know what are live tiles? Live tiles are animated icons of applications installed on your computer. It includes the icons of apps like calendar, icons to show current exchange rate, weather forecast and etc. Okay, as you can see, there are the live tile of calendar, and these are collection of photos, and this is the search browser. Okay, so students, if you want to create any live tile of any application, so you have to follow some steps. Firstly, you have to click on start button. Okay, as you can see, you have to click on start button. The start button is, the two panels are open. Okay, if you want to make a live tile of calculator, you have to do right click on calculator. As you can see, a pop-up menu appears. So the first option of this pop-up menu is pin to start. So we have to click on this option. After clicking this, you can see there is a new live tile is formed, that is calculator. Okay. So students, this is called pinning an app to the start menu. Okay. Okay students. So today what we have learned? We have learned that what is desktop, what are icons, what is taskbar, how many features are found in the taskbar, and how can we pin any app to form a live tile. Okay. We also learned that how many panels are found in start button. There are 2 panels, left is application and right is live tiles. If you want to form any live tiles of any application, you have to click on application and a pop-up menu will appear and you have to click on pin to start. Okay. So that application will form a live tile. Okay. Okay students, now today's class is over. In the next class we will learn about how can we resizing the tile and how can we move and group the tiles. Okay. So students, take care. Bye bye. We will meet in the next class and keep learning. Okay. Be healthy, be safe. Bye bye.